I don't think we're done here.
No?
Because I want to know what it's like to be a hypocrite.
Whoa.
No, I'm just kidding.
Whoa.
I want to know what it's
Whoa.
like to eat your words. That's what I want to know. Tell me, how does it feel
Listen,
to have bought the EV after saying you wouldn't, and then going through all that, but now realizing it's actually not so bad?
It truly, it was an eye-opening experience. And I did, in January, I did a talk at the Oakville Rotary Club. And they asked me to speak on the future of car repair on EVs. And I've had so many clients and so many friends and so many family say, oh, your industry, you must be scared. What's going to happen with EVs? What's going to happen? And as I said to the Rotary Club, the only thing that's different about EVs is the power plant. You still have your drive line, you still have your suspension, you still have there's still a cooling system for the batteries.